Are you ready to elevate your cooking game with a pan that combines convenience, durability, and outstanding performance? Meet this Calphalon Hard-Anodized Nonstick 12-inch frying pan, the ultimate kitchen companion for home cooks and culinary enthusiasts alike. This pan is designed to bring simplicity and quality to your kitchen, making it a top choice for anyone looking to cook with ease. In this in-depth review, we'll cover all the features that make this frying pan an essential addition to your kitchen, and why you won't want to miss out on the benefits it offers. Key features: dishwasher-safe, for effortless cleanup after a hearty meal. Hard-anodized aluminum, provides even heating for precise cooking results. Oven-safe up to 450-degree Fahrenheit. Seamlessly transition your meals from stovetop to oven. 10-year limited warranty. Cook with confidence, knowing your purchase is protected. Why choose the Calphalon Hard-Anodized Nonstick frying pan? 1. Tested for durability. This Calphalon pan is kitchen-tested over 100,000 times, showcasing a resilience that makes it stand out from the crowd. This means you can rely on it meal after meal, year after year. Whether you're searing meat, stir-frying vegetables, or preparing a family-sized omelette, this pan is built to handle the challenge without warping or losing its quality. This rigorous testing process has made it a trusted choice for countless users who seek longevity and durability in their kitchenware. 2. Non-stick technology for effortless cooking. Equipped with advanced non-stick technology, this frying pan offers easy food release, allowing you to cook with minimal oil for healthier meals. The non-stick coating not only makes cooking easier, but also ensures that cleanup is a breeze, even if you're dealing with sticky sauces or melted cheese. Forget about struggling with food sticking to the surface. This pan's non-stick technology is built to last, meaning fewer replacements and more consistent results. 3. Versatile heat compatibility. This frying pan is compatible with electric, glass, and gas stoves, making it versatile and adaptable for any kitchen setup. The hard-anodized aluminum construction provides even heat distribution, eliminating hot spots and ensuring your food is cooked to perfection. With this pan, you can trust that your ingredients will be cooked evenly, without the frustrating burns or undercooked sections. 4. Stay cool handle for safe cooking. The stainless steel handle is designed to stay cool on the stovetop, allowing you to cook with confidence without worrying about burns. This ergonomic design is not only safe but also comfortable to grip, giving you total control over your cooking. From flipping pancakes to stirring up a hearty stir-fry, the Stay Cool handle enhances your cooking experience by providing a secure grip. With the Calphalon Hard-Anodized Nonstick frying pan, cooking becomes less of a chore and more of an enjoyable experience. Here's how. Quick and even heating. The hard-anodized aluminum construction distributes heat uniformly, so every inch of the pan is equally hot. This feature is a game-changer for tasks like browning meat or sautéing vegetables, as it prevents undercooked or overcooked spots. Easy cleanup. Hate washing up? This pan is dishwasher-safe, meaning cleanup is just as effortless as cooking. If you prefer hand washing, you'll find the nonstick coating makes it easy to rinse away any residue in seconds. Healthy cooking option. With nonstick convenience, you can reduce the amount of oil or butter you use, helping you create healthier dishes without compromising on taste or texture. Who will benefit most from the Calphalon Hard-Anodized Nonstick frying pan? This pan is perfect for a range of users, including busy home cooks. With its easy-to-clean design, durable construction, and non-stick surface, this frying pan is ideal for those who cook often and need reliable cookware that can handle daily use. Health-conscious individuals. The non-stick surface means you can cook with less oil, making it easier to create lighter meals without hassle. Aspiring chefs and cooking enthusiasts. This pan's durable construction and even heat distribution make it a great tool for anyone passionate about cooking and wanting to improve their culinary skills. Is the Calphalon Hard-Anodized Nonstick 12-inch frying pan worth the investment? If you're looking for a frying pan that combines quality, durability, and convenience, the Calphalon Hard-Anodized Nonstick 12-inch frying pan is worth every penny. With its long-lasting nonstick coating, stay-cool handle, and compatibility with multiple stove types, it brings exceptional value to any kitchen. The hard-anodized construction and dishwasher-safe design mean it's built to last and easy to maintain, making it a smart investment for anyone who spends time in the kitchen. Final thoughts. Why you'll love cooking with Calphalon. With a commitment to high-quality construction and practical design, Calphalon has crafted a frying pan that's sure to become your go-to cookware. Say goodbye to frustrating food sticking, uneven cooking, and time-consuming cleanups. Instead, enjoy a pan that offers exceptional performance and ease of use, empowering you to cook confidently and create meals your family will love. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.